So, and I think what I would do, I guess, as I shape up, designing this, I would hope that I could like get the bar tucked back into this corner. I think that would be better. So I'm just gonna take this whole thing, and I'm gonna scoot it this way a little further, make a copy of it, and I think the whole thing was at 4 feet, so I'm gonna push it back by 24, throw a guideline on the floor at 36, and then move this guy. So yeah, we're not even close, to having like that set up. So I don't think it's not exactly the right look for the bar. We'll have to think about this. Yeah, I don't like that either. All right, let's go back to our comments. That's a pretty cool model we found. I dig that. So get rid of that. And actually, that's going to show up nice too in like interior elevations, because it does have those green deals on there. And we might be able to like make those work in Lumion. Like this back wall, we can make it leaves, which is going to be super cool. And then all these pieces, we can maybe find like a plastic or something, make it look like a plant. That'll be sweet. All right. So then, yeah, I might even have to I haven't done any sketching or space planning. I just kind of was going to run with their ideas and make them a reality, and just to get something to them this week. But yeah, maybe I would want to think about how this is going to actually work, which right now it's not, and I know that. But I like the idea of the bar being like defined, helping to be defined by this. So I think that's the direction I would go, is like get maybe even this being like as long as it like lined up with this, I could be happy with it. And so maybe this would be, if this is like 2 feet, maybe it's like a long island and a two-sided bar, something like that could be really cool. And then this could also come out further for sure. So, maybe like 12 inches off of there. But that would be like a really cool usable arrangement, so that, it's probably not super desirable to be on this side. Yeah, I'll have to keep working on it. That's not the final design, but it's a design, and the thought is in place at least. This is kind of making me crazy, so I'm going to push this down by 1.5 and then pull it up by 1.5 and leave that copy behind. And then I'm going to use a stone. So I'll go back to BD Materials, Indoor Stone, and just paint it like that. That's fine for now. Let's go back to our comments, and we're done with all that. And our comments over here. All right, live plant wall, check, we did it. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you are going to love our tutorials.